everyone, welcome to my channel. I want to say a big thank you to those who have been subscribing and those who are thinking about doing so. I also want to say a big thank you to all those who continue to support and to motivate me, and to all those who continue to purchase my sweet potato pudding, my banana bread and my carrot cake. Now Daniel's Delight JA is all about showcasing my hobbies, which are cooking, baking and blending. I will also be showing you how I make my beautiful flower pots and vase from cement. I'll be uploading my videos on Sundays, and some of my videos will be about enlightening my viewers and subscribers about the types of food we put into our bodies. All the ladies and gentlemen, all the 4th January, the unruly, the 6th and the quenga them, all the twinkle, the fancy and the shenyang them, remember, all the east side, the gully and the Gaza them, remember people, all who are boasting of the Lord, remember to subscribe to Daniel's Delight JA. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Like and leave a comment. And watch my video to the end. Thank you in advance and remain safe.